Shout out Puma 33. Among Retisol de la Zia. We are going to Padova. Vivian is there on the other side because I am charging here. Today there is a strike, national strike here in Italy. Strike of the train buses. I thought I cannot arrive this this train. Eh, we are going to Padova. This train direct to Venice, Bologna, Venice. But we stop Padova because Vivian already many times going to have been to Venice many times. So, but Padova not yet. Padova is there is a Saint Anthony of Padua. His grave is there, so we will go there. Uh-huh. And tomorrow we will go to Parma. Eh, I don't know yet the time because Vivian on Sunday coming back to Germany. Okay, thank you. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.